I've been wanting to put in some rivet nuts, and I've always used the philosophy if you can buy a tool instead of paying someone to do a service, then you've got the tool for the next time you need it. So I bought this tool ret, and this comes along with 10 of these mandrels, and then the tool itself. It's real easy to swap out the mandrels. You just unscrew the front part here, which will separate, and that's, I guess I should be holding that. That's going to unscrew from there. Then just pull out the mandrel. This just kind of stays together, and you've got 10 different options here, everywhere from these are an M6 all the way up to an M12. I guess it goes down to an M5, but you can also look at them as their threads. So once you figure out the mandrel you're going to need for your rivet nut, then you'll put this collet back on, and you've got the leverage here. You can really crank these things in. Of course, it does come with some drill bits that are sized correctly and a whole bunch of these nut rivets. So these are heavy duty. You get a bunch of like 100 something in the assortment. Nice kit, keeps all the mandrels together. Couldn't be more satisfied. Hope this helps.